Getting a CI.dll blue screen error on your Windows PC. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Re-register the CI.dll file first. Open the search bar and type cmd. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now we'll unregister the CI.dll file. Type the following command: regsvr 32.exe/uci.dll, then press Enter. If a pop-up appears, just click OK. Next, we'll register the file again. Type regsvr 32.xci.dll, press Enter. And click OK if another pop-up appears. Now type exit and press Enter to close the command prompt. Step 2. Repair system files. Using DISM tool, once again, search for CMD in the search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and click Run as Administrator. Click Yes when asked. Now type this command to scan your system health: DISM/online/cleanup image/scan health, press Enter. And wait for the process to complete. Once done, type the next command: DISM/online/cleanup image/check health, press Enter. Now we'll restore any corrupted files. Type DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health, press Enter. And wait for the repair to finish. Finally, type exit and press Enter to close command prompt. Step 3. Restart your PC now. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Click on Restart to reboot your system. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.